In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can utilize virtual response pads to interact with your session, both in the classroom or through a webinar. I'm here in Quiz Show in the BravoZone. It doesn't make any difference what game you use. The concept is exactly the same. Under the Start menu, make sure you have Instructor LED selected. Add your content. Then under the Options page, you're going to have Devices. And you can choose Teams or All Play. Remember, you can always change this once the game is launched, but this is just your default setting and how many teams you want, etc. Then we'll go to Publish, and I'm going to go ahead and publish this. I'm going to go ahead and play this, and we're going to show you how your users will log in. So for this part of the tutorial, I'm going to show multiple browsers on one screen. I've launched a game. And my default settings, as I selected in the game builder, is Devices and Teams. I can certainly change that at this point in time. I can also change the number of teams. I can assign participants to teams randomly versus having people select a team. I'm going to go ahead and allow people to choose their own team. I'm going to click play. I'm going to mute the music there. And I'm going to advance to this screen. It's at this screen you're going to have your users log in. If you're in a live session, like in a webinar, you can simply have or instruct your audience to scan the QR code, and that will take them to the BravoZone using their smart device or tablet. If they're on a computer, they can go ahead into the browser and type in the BravoZone.us. Once there, they will be prompted to enter the presenter code. Each presenter has their unique code, which doesn't change from game to game. So my unique presenter code is 0075. I'm going to click OK. It's going to ask the participant for their name. And I'm going to submit. And then it's going to give Joe the option what team to go on. Joe's going to go to the red team. I'm going to go ahead and bring in another browser here, already logged into the BravoZone, and add a second player. And because I've actually used this already, it already knows the user's name. And I'm going to choose blue. Now, if we go over here to the gear wheel, we can see who's logged in. And we'll see we have Joe and we have Sarah. I'm going to start the session. I'm going to skip the intro here. And let's say we have a third participant that shows up late. This is very common in any type of classroom or webinar session. Simply have that person at any time. They can log in. Click OK. Have them choose a team. If we go up to the gear wheel, we'll see now we have 3 participants. When we launch the question, you're seeing now what your participants are going to see. So I'd go ahead and answer a question. And you notice over here, as participants answer, my gauge will go up. I'm 33%, and you'll see who is not answered. And my final answer. If you ever want to reset the question, simply click on Redo Question. So what I'm going to do here is, let's say one of your users gets locked up or gets kicked out. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page, and it's going to kick this person out. No problem whatsoever. All they need to do is re-enter the code, do OK, and it's going to ask them which team you want to join. It doesn't make any difference. They can't change the team they've already selected. So it takes them back right where they left off. Well, that's it. Very easy getting started with the BravoZone virtual keypads. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your training more engaging. Take care.